space at the per floor?
74,000 square feet, close to 75,000. So we are in 1.5 lakh.
But now I'm thinking my office needs to be redone. This was in 2020.
January, yeah.
Just before the pandemic.
Yes. And this is how we got the floor. And when we started considering the building, how it was. Well, I'm sure you remember the picture. And this is the day I was in Delhi signing the paperwork.
Seems like a selfie.
Yeah, it was a selfie. Yeah.
Resolution.
and Information Technology, Government of Telangana. Our chief guest, Shri Jayesh Ranjan Garu, Principal Secretary of the Industries and Commerce and Information Technology Departments, Government of Telangana. Shri M. Mahendra Reddy Garu, IPS, Director General Police, Hyderabad. Shri Joel Refman Garu, Consul General, US Consulate General, Hyderabad. And Shri Ravi Tangirala Garu, Head of Mass Mutual India.
Came to Hyderabad and we went back from Hyderabad to US. The decision making was very, very easy. It's not only because of the infrastructure, and immediately we met with KT Ramarao Garu, and the adoption, that he shows towards any new company that wants to come towards Hyderabad is truly overwhelming. He's a friend for so many people and so many companies and so many countries. Very
Stage, please.
Yes, please.
Manoj Wallam, Head of HR for ETX, please join us on the stage. All the other leadership from Mass Mutual India.
So is there like a procedure top to bottom or bottom up or what? Ask some of you guys to join here. Yeah. Can I have some of you guys? By the way, each of you is paying $1,000 fine after this because you're not I really need you guys to... Thanks, Ravi. That was unique.
Thank you, everyone. My request.
Of the United States of America in Hyderabad, Joel Reifman. Joel, you've been a great friend of most all the American companies and all the initiatives that they've taken to enter India. Thank you very much for being a great friend for Hyderabad and for Telangana. Honorable Director General of Police, Shri Mahendra Reddy Garu. Honorable Principal Secretary of Industry, IT and Commerce, Shri Jayesh Ranjan Garu. And to our dear friend and to your leader, and to the man who brought Mass Mutual to Hyderabad, Ravi Tangirala. I think he deserves a big round of applause for making this. As Ravi quickly mentioned, let me also just quickly recap a couple of things. Our conversation started, I think it was sometime in January 2020, right before the pandemic. And within no time, I think the decision was quick. The leadership team did not waste time. I'm talking about the global leadership team of Mass Mutual. I know they're based in Boston. I would like to extend my gratitude and wholehearted. He spent one day, and then the remaining 2 days he said he shopped and partied so good. Glad that Hyderabad also has a social infrastructure for you guys to actually spend some money and loosen your purse strings as well. Once you come to Hyderabad, you realize a couple of things. Not just because Ravi is from this part of the world, but also there's no other city that really can compare with Hyderabad in terms of what it has to offer in the value proposition sense. If you look at all the Indian cities and compare Hyderabad to them, we offer the biggest bang for the buck. Because if you look at Bangalore versus Hyderabad, we have better infrastructure and our costs are lower, and we have better traffic also. And for those of you who are from Bangalore, just wanted to rub that in. For those of you who are from Delhi, let me remind you that your pollution is terrible. We are far better. For those of you who are from Chennai, your humidity is terrible. We are far better. For those of you who are from Bombay, the less said I've heard, the less said the better it is. Your commercial real estate prices are ridiculous. You guys need to take a serious relook at it. Our builders, our constructions here are far superior and far more economical. And most importantly, I think Mercer, an organization that rates cities on a livability index, has consistently rated Hyderabad as a city with the best quality of living among Indian cities. Talking at ISB before this event, I was telling a lot of venture capitalists there that we are a truly cosmopolitan city. In our city, stand-up comedians get an open invite. We don't cancel shows of Munawar Farooqi and Kunal Kamra just because we are not aligned with them politically, right? So we truly are welcome. We're truly welcome. And I'm just saying that to those people who are listening in from Bangalore or those people who are from Bangalore. You claim to be a cosmopolitan city and then you end up taking comedy very seriously. I don't understand that at all. So therefore, we're a truly cosmopolitan city who's welcoming of all cultures, who's welcoming of criticism. You can come here, criticize government. In fact, we receive a lot of bringbacks from our opposition every day, but we are very tolerant. Trust me. So therefore, to all those who are wanting to come to Hyderabad and make this your place, make this your home, we welcome you. And of course, with more and more opportunities and with more and more investments coming in, I think Hyderabad is truly growing and becoming truly a global city. Thank you, Ravi, for all your business. But one request I do have for you. I think as we grow, as Hyderabad and as cities grow, our infrastructure, tends to become a challenge because, the pace at which we are growing versus the pace at which we can add infrastructure, there is a huge mismatch. So one of the things that Telangana government has been espousing and has been promoting is tier 2 towns like Warangal, like Karimnagar, Nizamabad, Nalgonda, Mehboob Nagar. We have really built plug-and-play infrastructure there, and we've been promoting tier 2 towns in a big way. Our goal is to create 50,000 jobs in tier 2 towns in the next 5 years. And we already have had good response from Tech Mahindra, from Cyient, from Mindtree. And yesterday, in fact, Genpact came forward to set up an office in Warangal. Ravi, since you are from this part of the world, I urge you, I implore you to also consider expanding into tier 2 towns so that our youngsters from those towns also get wonderful opportunities. So I urge Mass Mutual India to start looking at tier 2 options as well. Thank you very much for this opportunity. Good luck.